Welcome to the tip of the day. I'm Jen Anthony for CPI. Today's tip, service advisor training and the daily performance report. Consider the multifaceted role of a service advisor. It involves customer service, selling, mediating between the customer and technician, mechanical understanding, and financial aptitude. It's a huge undertaking to train for such a role. As a business, service advisors must understand their performance. It comes down to basic numbers. Although they sound like a jumbled up Scrabble game, ELR, RO sales, RO count, GP, these letters should mean something to your service advisors. And they're all found in a daily performance report. ELR, or effective labor rate, is how much each hour of labor is actually earned by the advisor. It considers lost leaders, discounts, and full rate service labor sales. RO sales is the total amount of combined labor and parts per repair order. RO count is just that, the number of work orders written that day. Junior service advisors should write up to 10 repair orders per day to make sure they are handling each one well. Senior service advisors might write double that or more. GP, or gross profit, is also critical information. As a percentage, it gives a very good idea if a service advisor has been writing low-price routine maintenance or selling full-rate repairs as well. Low gross profit is an indicator that an advisor is discounting too much. Why is it important? Providing your service advisors with the daily performance report does two things. It lets the service advisor know their performance is being monitored, and it allows them to see where there's room for improvement. And that's the tip of the day. While daily performance reports are important, the most important statistic that shouldn't be overlooked is customer satisfaction. Service advisors should always strive to achieve the best CSI scores possible. Typically, sales follow suit. Call us today at 212-763-0016 and discover how we can help. Thanks for watching.